So Jannah doesn't just have levels and degrees. There are entire sections of Jannah that reflect a certain level of highness that you want to aspire to. And so, for example, you have the Jannah that is al-ma'wa. And Ka'b radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, this is the place of the shuhada who are in the bodies of green birds, and they are waiting for Ar-Rahman to bring them into Jannah in the fullest sense. And subhanAllah, al-ma'wa is a place of relief, and so they will be relieved in the greatest way. And then you have Jannatu Adn, okay? And this is translated as the Garden of Eden, but I want you to think about levels here, inshallah ta'ala. So Jannatu Adn refers to the highest garden, and then there are specifics of Jannatu Adn that we're going to speak about. And Abdullah ibn Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhuma says something very powerful. He says Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created 4 things by his hand: the throne, the pen, Adn, and Adam alayhi salam. And then he said to the rest of the creation, Kun fakan, be, and it was.